So this is a BLDC with 7 pole pair and rated for 140 kV. So it is a very low RPM high torque motor. Uh, and right now it is going to run on field oriented control in speed control mode. So as you can see, right now it is calibrating. There are mainly two types of calibration. One is offset calibration and second is eccentricity calibration. And right now offset calibration is happening, and now eccentricity calibration is running. Eccentricity calibration is there because we are using a magnetic encoder and the magnet might be slightly off. And right now it is in open loop and now it is in closed loop. So as you can see, the reference RPM is 60 here. So we'll move into chart window so we can see it in graphs. So, so as you can see, the green line is the actual RPM and blue line is the reference RPM. So we can try RPM for 200. Right now it is in 60. We will be moving to 200. So you can see there is a little bit of oscillations, but then the controller is trying its best to keep up with the 200. As this is a low RPM motor, so and also it has 7 pole pairs. These values will be in different regions, so we should possibly think of gain scheduling. But let's try 300. Right now it is 200. We can see a little bit of oscillation. Let's try 300. So in 300 we can see very promising result. If you go to plain window, we can see there is an RPM difference of 5 RPM. So trying its best to stay at this value, and let's try to give some load the motor, a small load. So you can see the VQ increases well. I load the motor and the motor tries to stay in 300. It is better while I load the motor. See, this is the region where I load the motor and the uh, actual RPM came close to 300. Let's go back to 200. So see, as you can see, 200 we are experiencing a little bit of oscillation, but then it is not any violent oscillations. So let's try running the motor in the opposite direction. So I'm reducing the speed, then I will go to, okay, so now we are giving -60, so it will run in 60 RPM in the opposite direction. So as you can see, same, a little bit of controller tuning and optimization is required, but then yeah, it is giving decent results. I might be experiencing some issue, but then so you can find the code in my GitHub link. Links will be in the description, and there will be a relatively decent documentation also I'll try to include. So check it out if you are exploring field-oriented control.